kanisa makopere diocese ma Kitui Joseph Mwongela oseyo okang' mager monj machiegni ni manotime kanisa manegeto jotelo moko kod jokristo manoyore nyasi mar alame kamano biro tok monj manotime kanisa mar ACK ma Odhaya e kaunti ma Nyeri kono, kama monj makamano chal ni negeto jatend duond bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua, ka Mwongela omedo ni monj makamago nyisa chaye ne ute mag lamo kendo timbe makamago mag bayo iro malungo wang'e ute mag lamo ok owinjore nuo kendo.
That's ungodly. So politics, and when it comes to campaigns, you just get drunk. And people don't want to think and then move. That's what we have said, and we have put it in place. And you have seen it if you have watched our events. We just recognize politicians and not allow them to speak. Why should a politician want to speak when an archbishop from Kisumu is not speaking? Us as Kenyans, sure, politicians, they are not everything. Yeah. But we need good politicians. So that was your first about the third trend. It may get worse as we move towards election. It will only get worse if control measures are not put there. The church is only to speak, but there must be enforcement. The police must be there. But don't hear people say, which I don't know, there are police who are not in uniform, hired by people, hired goons. I have spoken about goons. As long as I live in Kitui, I also speak against it. No politician should come with goons.
Nurses mawuok e sirikand kaunti ma Siaya